Mastering possessive nouns with inanimate objects. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our Grammar Fundamentals series. In today's video, we're going to dig into an interesting topic that can sometimes trip up even seasoned English speakers: possessive nouns with inanimate objects. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to use them correctly and feel more confident in your English skills. Let's jump in. Before we dive into the main topic, let's do a quick recap of possessive nouns. A possessive noun shows ownership or a relationship to something else. In English, we often show this by adding an apostrophe and an s to the end of a noun. For example, John's book means the book belongs to John. Now, let's tackle the main topic: possessive nouns with inanimate objects. Here's a crucial point. In English, inanimate objects can possess things too. For instance, we can say, "the car's tires," to indicate the tires of the car. It might seem strange since objects can't own things, but it's a way to show a relationship or connection between two things. It's important to note that we don't always use the possessive form with inanimate objects. It's typically used when we want to express a characteristic or feature of that object. For example, the desk's surface, or the city's population. However, we generally use of for regular possession with inanimate objects, like the pages of the book. There are exceptions, however. With time expressions and measures, the possessive form is quite common. For example, we often say, "a day's work," "2 weeks vacation," or $5 worth. This usage can seem a bit odd at first, but with practice, it will become second nature. That's it for today's lesson, folks. Remember, possessive nouns with inanimate objects might seem tricky at first, but the more you practice, the more natural it will feel. Keep practicing what you've learned today, and soon you'll master this part of English grammar. Thanks for tuning in, and keep up the great work with your English studies. Until next time, happy learning!